S3 is essentially a cloud storage where you can store any type of file. You know, they could be HTML files, um, MP4 video files, CSS, JavaScript. Really, you know, any type of file can be stored in the S3 bucket. And it gives this public URL or private. Um, Sorry, my handwriting's kind of bad here, but essentially, the files that you put into the bucket, if you want them to be publicly accessed, can then be accessed by the outside world through this public URL. And if you want to get a little bit more advanced with it, you can even hook up a custom domain name, but you don't have to, especially if it's just like part of a site, you know. You can just use the S3 URL, but you can use your own custom domain name, but that's with another service called Route 53. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It does have a free tier available. So it's good to get started with. And honestly, I think this is just a great service in general to get started with the AWS because it's pretty straightforward and simple to get going because it's, you know, you create a bucket, then you upload files and you set, is this a private file or is it a public file? And then, you know, that's basically it. I mean, you can get way more advanced with it again, but that'll be in future videos. But yeah, anyways, that's S3 in a nutshell. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. Subscribe for more, like this video if you want more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.